Good evening, everyone. I'm Kea Dobrial. I'm 15 years old. My poem is about Pulwama attack. I'd written it quite a while ago. The blowing of the trumpet fills the air. There is silence and mourning everywhere. So many boxes wrapped in the black and white. So many families which ran out of light. When the bomb exploded, it was heard so loud. But I've never seen anyone dying so proud. The anger that fills in me, words can't explain. Has all their hard work and sweat gone in vain? Will we ever get such brave hearts back? No one can say. But may God rest their souls in peace, is all I can pray. So many shattered bodies lay dead and bare. We will all retaliate someday, I swear. And never will the enemies attack anymore, and we will take such a revenge that they will cry for. Thank you.